Hey guys, welcome back. This is ajaxx here with another video. I want to say thank you to those who have subscribed and thank you for those who are here for the first time. So today is going to be a new video on Twitch, everything that you need for a Twitch setup, meaning PC, mouse, keyboard, all of that under $750, and I'm going to get into that right now. So the first thing that you need is a motherboard, right? So for the motherboard, we have MSI B450. It's compatible with the first and second gen Ryzen. So with this build, you can choose to go one generation down or stick with the generation that I have for you guys. Okay, so that and its price point will be here on the screen. Next, we have our RAM. We have a Vengeance, two 8GB sticks. Okay, so that's going to give us 16 gigabytes of RAM. That is at $80. Now you can go up and down depending on how many megahertz that you want. This is at 3000 megahertz, so this is going to be perfect for you. Now for the CPU, you can choose to go with the Ryzen 3 or the Ryzen 5. Now for this build, I'm going to use a Ryzen 5. That is going to be the better option for you. That is at $145. But if you want to save a little bit more money, you can go with the Ryzen 3, and that's for around $90. Okay, so $145 for Ryzen 5 2600. Okay, that is pretty much equivalent to the i5 for Intel, but you can choose which one that you want to go with depending on your price range. Now we have this case. Okay, this case is at $45 for those of you if you want to have, you know, the RGB lighting. So this is the case for you. It's $45. It's called Aero Cool. That is the company, but it has 4 stars on Amazon. So that is why I chose it for you guys. Okay, I know people like to have RGB. Now for the power supply, an EVGA 600 watt power supply is semi-modular, so you'll be able to change it up for your power needs for your parts. All right, now for the graphics card, we have a RX 590. I did not go with the MSI model. I went with the Power Color model. That one has 4.5 stars on Amazon, and it's a little bit cheaper to keep this under the 750 range of a complete setup for Twitch. Okay, so I realized I went a little over budget, so I'm going to take out one of the parts. So instead of having a solid state drive and a hard disk drive, you are going to just have a hard disk drive that is 2 terabytes. That is at $50. Okay. If you don't mind adding an extra 30, then you can have an SSD to have your Microsoft Windows startup and whatever programs that you want to load up faster. Okay, the last 2 parts that we need to talk about, of course, is your monitor, which is a BenQ. So they create gaming monitors. That one is $120, and I believe it's at 22 inches or 21.5 inches. I don't remember, but that is going to have a 1 millisecond lag latency time between you and pressing the button. So that's amazing. And the last part that you absolutely need is the mouse and keyboard, because you can't have a PC without a mouse and keyboard. So this is at $26. Okay, so this is a combo together. I have done a giveaway with this company using their gaming mouse, and people have really enjoyed the gaming mouse. I've also done a review on one of the mice that I've bought from this company on Amazon. So it's a really great buy for you. And if you absolutely need RGB, now this is if you want it. This is not included in the 750 price range that I told you that I was going to stay in. But if you absolutely need RGB, since you have that acrylic window, that is not a glass window, it is $21, and you can either plug it into the motherboard or you can plug it via USB, like outside of the case. But you plug it into the motherboard, and it comes with the remote. If I don't have that option on the screen, then you can actually change it from within the software in the computer. So that is your $750 build. Now for the one thing that you actually need for Twitch, which is your mic. I have a $30 mic for you, so that gives us at the exact amount of $750. It is $30. If you don't mind spending a little bit more, I would say get a snowball to start off with. I use a snowball for my videos, for YouTube and for Twitch, so I really enjoy it so far. I haven't had any complaints. So that is everything that you need. If you absolutely need a face cam, you can actually use your phone camera and plug it into the computer and use that as a cam for when you're streaming. If you want to know how to do that, please leave it in the comment section down below and I will let you know. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm on my way to 250 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. Again, ajaxx out.